Let's see one more interview question. That is, where did you use abstract classes and interfaces in your project? Okay. So generally, you can say, sir, while working with the JDBC, while working with the solids, while working with the JSPs, I use a number of uh, classes and interfaces internal like connection. You can call driver manager. You can use prepared statement. Uh, this with respect to JDBC. Similarly, you can give the answers with for while working with the servlets like javax.servlet.http servlet or servlet or generic servlet, HTTP solid requests, HTTP solid response, or solid request or solid response, even sessions, page context, all are abstract classes and interfaces in these technologies because Sun Microsystem has provided all these technology in the form of abstract classes and interface, or you can call rules and regulations. Because Sun Microsystem has supplied only rules and regulation to work with these technologies, and third party vendor companies provided the those guidelines. Sorry, those actual implementation in the form of concrete classes. Like you can call Oracle driver for type 4 driver. Okay, OJDBC, they provided all their concrete classes in the form of OJDBC.jar, version.jar. Maybe for MySQL, I want to connect with the Sun Microsystem supplied or Oracle supplied rules and guidelines with my Java application. So I'll use MySQL jar. I will use Oracle jar. Similarly, I want to work with the servlet technology. So, and in this case, if I will be using Tomcat, so Tomcat will provide its implemented subclasses or extended subclasses in the form of abstract classes, in the form of interfaces, and those are in the form of concrete classes. So similarly, you can give the answer. So okay, this is about the interfaces and abstract classes with respect to existing technologies and Sun Microsystem or Oracle supplied interfaces and abstract classes. Okay, but in the case of project, what kind of answers you can give? So generally, those rules and guidelines will be created by the higher authorities, or you can call team leaders or project managers. So project leaders or team leaders designs project specifications having the rules and guidelines which are required for the development of projects, and those rules and regulations will be given to the programmer. So use those abstract classes, use those interfaces in the form of rules and guidelines. So what is the meaning of rules here? Rules are in the form of abstract classes and guidelines in the form of concrete classes. Abstract methods. So abstract, instead of calling abstract classes, so abstract methods. Okay, okay, and rules and guidelines in the form both rules and guidelines. So let me implement. Okay, so the project leaders and team leaders, whenever want to give only rules, then they generally works with the interfaces. They generally works with the interfaces, and those are called as abstract methods. Okay, totally purely abstract methods for the providing design of project specifications. And the project leaders and team leaders want to give both rules and guidelines, then they generally works with the abstract classes. Okay, so this is with respect to real-time projects. But however, while working with the JSP, while working with the JDBC, while working with the servlets, we have worked with the different interfaces and abstract classes in the form of java.sql or javax.sql, javax.solid, javax.solid, javax.solid.htdp.star. So these packages, even in the case of JSP also, we work with the different kinds of abstract classes and interfaces. But this is a real-time scenario where you can give these answers. Okay, fine. Next, we shall see about a mini project. So let me arrange some of the jars. And once I arrange the jars, then we shall see about this mini project. Okay.